What's up guys, welcome where you can make money online just by doing simple tasks. So all you just need to do is to relax, watch this video to the end in order for you to know these two sites and know how to go about it. Now before I go straight showing you exactly what these websites are, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon, and if you are subscribed already, thank you very much, and I appreciate all the love and all the things you are doing for me. So I'm going to dive straight into showing you these two platforms or these two websites where all you just need to do is to do simple tasks online in order for you to make money. So the first one I have on the list here is sidegig.co. So if you go to sidegig.co, you're going to be brought straight to this platform, to this dashboard. So as you can see right here, it says earn more income completing simple gigs. So all you just need to do is complete simple tasks. As you can see, it said here, join over 100,000 freelancers already earning on SiteGig from home. So you can do this from wherever you are, home, school, office, wherever you are, and you just need an extra form of income. You can come here to do simple tasks in order for you to earn money. So if you scroll down here, you're going to see this is the highest earner on this platform. He earned over 2 million naira and he has completed over 789 jobs, and this is what he has left in his wallet. So this is it. Okay, if you continue to scroll down, you're going to see exactly how the platform works, and so many other stuff that you can check for yourself. Now this is this platform. So I'm going to dive straight into the, if you want to register, of course you just need to click on start earning, and it's going to take you to the registration page. So all you just need to do is to fill in your details, but I've already registered, and here, so once you're done registering, you're going to be brought straight to your dashboard. But right here on your dashboard, you're going to see a notification asking you to verify your phone number and your social media account. So I've gone ahead to verify my phone number, but now you need to verify your social media account. So you just need to link any of your social media accounts, like your Facebook, your Facebook, your Instagram, or any other social media account. You just need to link one with this platform, and once that is done, then you can be able to submit gig. As you can see right here, it says you must link your account in order for you to submit gigs. So because I haven't linked my account, I can't be able to submit gigs right now. So for me to link my account is simple. Just click here and link your account. So as you can see, it is to be noted that all amounts stated are in naira currency. So this platform pays in naira, and they work with naira. And you can also upgrade to premium in order for you to see more tasks, but you don't need to do that. Okay, so right here on this platform, you can do simple tasks. As you can see right here, just follow an IG account, follow a TikTok account, follow IG, and things you normally do for free, you are going to be getting some pay doing it. As you can see, these are the payment, 3 naira for each following. Okay, so and you can click on see all tasks in order for you to see multiple tasks. As you can see right here, there are so many of them available on this platform. Now remember the platform, I'll try to leave a link to it in the description box below. It's called sidegig.co. so you need to sign up and create an account properly. Now once you've created your account, I want you to go to this section here called go to profile. So click on go to profile. We need to do one important stuff that right there. So I'm going to scroll down now to show you. So what you need to do is to link your bank account. As you can see here, I've not added any bank account, so you need to click on add bank and go through the process, your account number and the rest of them. Okay, so add your bank and then click on save changes. So once that is done, remember to also verify your phone number and link your social media account. Then once you've done all this, then you can start working on this platform in order for you to earn money for yourself. Now the second platform I have for you guys is called Picoworkers.com. Now with this platform, you can earn dollars. Okay, so this does not pay you in naira, it pays you in United States dollars, and you can withdraw your money straight to your PayPal account. Now if you don't know how to create a PayPal account, I've done a video about it, show you exactly how to create a PayPal account and how you can withdraw money from your PayPal account right here in Nigeria or wherever you are. Okay, so it's very simple. So this is Picoworkers. You can go ahead to read everything they have on their website, but as a freelancer, as someone that wants to work, you can work on this platform. Now if you want to also provide work for people, you can also do that on this platform. A lot of people are here ready to work. but as a freelancer we need to sign up. Okay, so just click on sign up and go through all the sign up process, and the verification is very simple. So once you've signed up, you are going to land straight to the dashboard. Now this is what the dashboard looks like. Of course mine is in a dark mode, but you can also change it to the light mode. Okay, so this is what the light mode looks like, but I just like to put it on the dark mode so for me to be able to see exactly what I'm doing. So this is the dark mode, and as you can see there are several jobs. I mean thousands of jobs you can do. So as you can see here, this one needs 25 people, 10 people have done the job, and this is the amount is willing to pay. I think 4 cents. All you need you to do is to survey, I think survey an ebook or something, download an ebook. Okay, just download an ebook, just download it, and it pays you 4 cents for downloading the ebook. Okay, so this is complete an offer, and it pays you this amount. So there are several jobs. I mean you can't lack jobs on this platform. I mean there are thousands and thousands and thousands of jobs you can do right here on this platform. Okay, there are thousands of them, so trust me, this platform picoworkers.com does not lack job. I mean many people are here to work, and if you want to work as well, you can as well work in order for you to get paid. Okay, so like I said, they pay you via PayPal. You need to make sure you have set up your account properly, and they're going to pay you via PayPal. Now I'm also going to try and leave a link to the platform in the description box below in order for you to sign up and start working. Okay, so if you have any question with any of this platform that I showed you, which are SiteGig and Picoworkers, please make sure to tell me in the comments. I mean in the comment section. Yeah, I'll be there to answer your questions. Now you can work on this platform, these two platforms, in order for you to make money. Now there are other two websites where you can also do simple tasks in order for you to make money, like microjobs.com or microworkers.com. All those platforms, I've not actually tried any of them. These are the ones that I know that I've tried. As you can see, I have this $1.99 right here. As you can see right here, I've done just a few jobs, and I have this money right here. So this is something you can do, and in order for you to make money, especially if you're just starting out, if you're a beginner and you really want to make money from the from the first start, you need to use any of this platform. Now there are so many other things that I'm going to be showing you on my channel, so that's why I want you to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon, so that once I drop the video, you get notified immediately. So guys, I believe you enjoyed my video. Remember the platform SiteGig.co. You need to sign up and set up your account and do simple tasks and make money. And Picoworkers.com. You need to sign up, create your account properly, and make money. You can also withdraw your money via PayPal on this platform. They pay you from a minimum of $5. Once your payment reach $5, they're going to send payout to you. And this one right here, you can withdraw your money to your bank account. I think when your money reach 4,000 naira, that's when they pay you as well. So you just need to work and get yourself paid. Okay, so if you have any question, tell me in the comment section. If you want me to do any other thing for you, tell me in the comment section. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. I want you to take action and for you to win. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you very much.